Hey guys, what's up? I am Muneeb, and welcome to this brand new After Effects tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this twisted 3D style text animation inside of After Effects. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into After Effects and get started. Let's make a new composition. I'm gonna call this main as our main render composition. For the width and height, I'm going with 1920 by 1080. Frame rate is set to 30 FPS and duration set to 6 seconds. Press OK. Then select the text tool and then you can type in any text that you want. I'm gonna type in Muneeb. And for the font I'm using Dharma Gothic. I'll mention the link to the font in the description, so you can go ahead and check it out. And then we have to bring up the composition settings. So you need to switch that to Cinema 4D. Make sure the quality is set to around 20, don't set it very high. The complete system will start lagging because it uses a lot of GPU memory. Right-click and convert this into shapes from text. And then let's turn this into a 3D layer. Then change the value of extrusion depth to 40. You can see nothing has changed. But if I switch this to a custom view, here we get extrusion depth. It looks pretty cool. Let's go back to our active camera or the front view. Go into the contents of this. Select all the text that we have. Click on Add. Select front and give a nice color to the front. Similarly, I'll click on Add again, go into back and add some color to the back as well. And then I can go into the search bar and type in color. And then set everything to white. And there you go. And then I can select this. Go into fill options and then you can add whichever color that you like. I'm gonna go with something like a nice purple. So to animate it, create a new solid. We can call this map and press OK. Going to Effects and Presets and search for Gradient Ramp. And gonna leave it as it is. Create a new adjustment layer. So now right here in the time displacement layer, I'm gonna set this to map that we created, and set the source to effects and mask. Set the time resolutions value to 500. So press R to bring down the rotation properties. I'll create a keyframe on the Y rotation. Go to run 2 seconds. So I'll set this to 1. Now let's select the key, press F9 to ease them and go into the graph editor. Nice. Then click on text layer, hold on Control button or Command in Mac, and double click on this pan behind. Now duplicate the text layer as many times as there are letters. Go into the contents, delete all the letters except M. With second layer, delete all the letters except U. With third layer, delete all the letters except N. I hope you understand. Now, select the first letter layer, and hold on the Control button or Command in Mac, and double-click on this Pan Behind button. Do it with all letters layer. Select all the text layers and press U to reveal the keyframes. Set the keyframes like these. Awesome. Very cool. To make it even better, change the value of max displacement time to 0.5 and there you go. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and leave a like, as this motivates me to keep on making more and more videos for you, absolutely free. Take care till the next video. Bye.